Tom! Tom! Where are you?
Everyone, stay calm. We will find him. Tom? I thought he was with you.
David, where is Tom?
Tom, I thought he was with you.
Mom, I cannot see him anywhere.
Tom!
Tom, where are you?
Everyone, stay calm. We will find him. Excuse me. My son is missing. What is his name? Tom.
Welcome to Sunny Water Park. Wow.
Look at the giant water slides.
The wave pool is so big.
Stay close to us today.
I can't wait to swim. The water looks amazing.
Stay together and walk carefully.
Let's change into our swim clothes.
I can't wait to swim.
Stay together. We will go to the wave pool next.
Let's go to the wave pool.
Wow, the wave pool looks beautiful. Stay together. We're almost there.
Here is the wave pool.
This looks amazing.
Stay beside us
While
while
we swim.
Let's start in the shallow water.
This is so much fun. Look at the pirate ship.
We'll go there after swimming.
That pirate ship looks fun.
Oh, can we go there next?
Yes, after we finish here.
Here comes a big wave. I want to see that pirate ship. We'll go there together in a minute. Let's visit the pirate ship now.
I've been waiting for this.
The pirate ship looks even bigger now. Stay close while we wait.
Wow, it's a real pirate ship.
Welcome aboard. This is so exciting.
Stay together and enjoy the ride.
Look, a treasure map.
It looks like a real pirate adventure. Please hold the safety rail. Stay close, Tom.
Look, an octopus playground. It looks so much fun.
We'll visit it after this ride. Remember to stay with us.
Look, an octopus playground. It looks so much fun.
We'll visit it after this ride.
Remember to stay with us. Wow, this place is amazing.
Let's play in this area together.
This water feels cool.
Stay where we can always see you. Look at the little boat.
It's going behind the octopus.
Stay right here, Tom.
Okay, Dad. There it is again. Wait for me. Mom? Dad?
Where is everyone?
David, where's Tom?
Stay here. I'll look around.
I should find a park employee.
Excuse me, I can't find my family.
I'll help you find them.
We'll find your family. Attention staff, we have a lost child named Tom. Have you seen my son, Tom? Please go to the information desk. My son is missing. His name is Tom. Checking with all park staff now.
We have located Tom. He is safe.
Tom is safe. Please come with me.
Tom is waiting for you.
We're gonna find Tom.
There he is.
Mom, Dad. Mom, Dad.
Are you okay, Tom?
I'm okay, Dad. We're so happy you're safe. You made a very smart choice. You stayed calm and asked for help. I remembered what my parents taught me. We're very proud of you, Tom.
Thank you for helping our family.
You're very welcome.
We'll always stay together from now on.
Yeah.
Let's enjoy the rest of our day together.
Let's stay together.
I won't walk away again.
Who wants some ice cream? Me!
What flavor would you like?
I'd like chocolate, please.
I'd like strawberry, please. Stay beside us while we wait.
Thank you very much. We're together again.
I'm glad I stayed calm.
You remembered the safety rules.
I'm never forgetting that lesson. Always stay where we can see you.
I understand, Dad. If you ever get lost, stay calm and ask a park employee for help.
I'll always remember that. Now we can relax together.
This ride is so peaceful. I like staying together.
This is the best way to end our adventure. Everyone, smile. Perfect photo.
We'll remember this day forever.
This was the best day. I'll always remember today.
The best memories are made together.
Home is wherever we're together. Our family is together. This is my favorite picture.
We helped each other and we stayed strong. Every adventure is... I learned something important. If I get lost, I should stay calm.
Yeah.
And ask a safe park employee for help.
You remembered the right thing to do. We should always stay together. I'll stay close every time.
Our family is strongest when we help each other.
Yeah.
And we'll always look after one another. Always stay with your family.
We will.
And if you ever get lost, stay calm and ask a trusted adult or park employee for help.
I'm happy we found each other. It's my favorite family memory.
We'll always remember this special day.
Today gave us a wonderful lesson. I know how to stay safe now.
We learned, helped each other, and stayed together. This picture reminds us to stay together. I'll remember this day forever.
Our happiest memories are made together.
Let's make more happy memories together. Every adventure is better when we stay together.
I'll always remember to stay calm and ask for help.
Thank you for watching our story.